Hello friends, in this video we will see the practical session of Git. For that you need to open Git bash terminal and check the Git version. If Git is not installed, install it first. Next, you need to configure your name and email address using your GitHub account details and verify them by using user.name and user.email. Now open GitHub and create a new repository. Here I created a repository called Git Practical. Now let's start the actual session. Create a new folder called Git Demo and move into it using the cd command. Initialize Git using the git init command. This converts your folder into a Git repository. Now create a file called app.txt and write some content inside it. Now add this file to the staging area using git add command. You can check the status using the git status command. Now we will save this change using git commit with a message like initial commit. This creates the first version of your code. Now, before pushing to the main branch, we need authentication. For that, you need to go to the GitHub, click on the profile icon and go to the settings and the developer settings. Click on personal access tokens, generate a classic token. Give it a valid name and select the repo scope. We don't need admin permissions here. Just go ahead and create the token. Make sure you copy the token and save it somewhere safely. Now run the push command again. It will prompt for authentication. Choose the token option here and paste the token as the password. Click on sign in. You can see the push was successful. Now go back to your GitHub, refresh your repository on GitHub. You can see your first commit. Now, let's create a new branch and switch to it using checkout command. This branch is used to make changes safely without affecting the main branch. Now, update the same file app.txt with new content. Again, add the file. Check the status. Finally, commit the changes. Here I am using futures update message. Now push this branch to the GitHub. The changes were pushed. Now we need to go back to the GitHub and refresh it. You can see your new branch and the updated content. Now let's switch back to the main branch. Git checkout main. Now we are in main now. Here I am adding different content to the same file. Add the file. Again commit it with a message like main update. Now comes the real part. Let's try to merge both branches. Since the same file has different content in both branches, Git gets confused. That's why it will show a merge conflict. Now we need to fix it. Open the file and check the content. We can use first cat command to check the content. For editing, you can use Vim editor or nano editor too. You will see conflict markers. Remove those symbols and keep the final version you want. In real-world projects, teams discuss and decide which change to keep. Now add the updated file to the staging area and commit it with a message like resolved conflict. Finally, push the changes to the main branch. Now everything is merged successfully. This is how developers actually use Git in real projects. If this helped you, save it and try it yourself. Please subscribe to my channel and follow on Instagram for more DevOps content.